In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple projects into Microsoft Project. We'll start inside Microsoft Project. You can either open an existing master file that will contain other projects, or create a new blank project if you're building that master from scratch. A master project is simply a container that brings several separate schedules into one place, so you can see them together and manage them more easily without merging the original files. Next, switch to the Gantt chart view. On the ribbon, click View, then choose Gantt chart. This view gives you a clear task list and timeline, which is exactly where sub-projects will be inserted. Think of it as the canvas where your other project files will appear as summary rows. Now you're ready to insert sub-projects. Click in the task name column at the exact spot where you want the first project to appear. The row you choose determines the position of the inserted project within the master, so pick a location that makes sense for your overall structure. Go to the Project tab on the ribbon and click Sub-Project in the Insert group. The Insert Project dialog opens. Browse to the .mpp files you want to include. To add more than one at the same time, hold down the Control key and click each project file you want to bring in. This is a fast way to assemble a program of work when your schedules are already split by team, phase, or workstream. Before you confirm, decide how you want these files to behave. Make sure Link to Project is checked if you want live synchronization. With linking on, updates made in any subproject will flow into the master, and edits you make to those subproject tasks from the master will be reflected back in the original files. This is great when multiple owners maintain their own schedules, but you need a single, up-to-date roll-up. If you prefer a one-way snapshot with no syncing, uncheck Link to Project before inserting. That gives you a static copy inside the master, which won't change if the original files change. Click Insert. You'll see each selected project appear in the task list, typically as a summary row you can expand. From here, you can review how timelines align and confirm that the overall plan displays as expected. A quick tip. If you're linking projects, keep all files in stable, accessible locations to avoid broken links. Consistent naming and folder paths help ensure the master always finds its sub-projects. And that's it. You've added multiple projects into a single Microsoft Project file, with your choice of live links or one-way copies, all organized in the Gantt chart view.